So to start your breathing techniques, adopt a position that you feel comfortable with, whether this be sitting up or, as we're going to do for this demonstration, lying down. You need to get as relaxed as you possibly can in this position. So shut your eyes, keep your mouth shut, and ensure all breathing is coming through the nose. As well as this, I want you to place your hand on your abdomen to ensure that breathing is coming through the diaphragm and not the chest. Once we're in this position, we're going to inhale through the nose for a count of 4 seconds, and as we do so, the hand should rise as air enters the body. From the top of the breath, I want you to bring a feeling of relaxation to the body, and then exhale through the nose for a count of around 8 to 10 seconds. The hand here should fall as air leaves the body. At the bottom of the breath, hold your breath until you feel you need to breathe again, and then repeat that process. We are trying to create a small hunger for air, so you should feel that you need to breathe a little bit more than you are doing. Breathe to about 80% of the capacity that you usually would, because the goal of the exercise is to increase your tolerance to carbon dioxide. So we need that small hunger for air to be there for that to happen. Repeat this process for a minimum of 2 minutes, really trying to increase that hunger for air as you go. Throughout the week, I want you to build that 2 minutes to 5 minutes and even greater than that if you can.